Hello, boys and girls. So, I wanted to share a fun story with you today. Lizard in a blizzard. And this is a fun story because lizards don't normally live where it snows. So, I wonder how this little lizard got into a blizzard, which is a huge snowstorm. It's when a lot of snow falls at once. And look, what is he wearing around his neck? A scarf. You're right, he's wearing a scarf, but the rest of him doesn't seem to look quite right. He's wearing short sleeves, shorts, and looks like sandals or flip-flops. So Lizard doesn't look like he's dressed to be in a big snowstorm or a blizzard. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looks up and grins at his friends. This book's fun. Look where they are. I see the ocean, I see sand. They're all kind of laying around in warm clothing, the t-shirts, the shorts. They're at the beach. It's all about snow. But what snow? Do you know? Snow makes us slow. In snow, we don't go. And look, they're picturing themselves freezing. They're going, ooh, it's cold. Kind of like we do with the weather every morning. I want to see snow, Lizard says with a sigh. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky. But lizards aren't wizards. Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever, or he is very smart. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day he shows them his make snow invention. He flicks up a switch and his friends pay attention. Do you think it'll work? Do you think his clever invention will make snow? Softly at first, fat white flakes flutter down. How pretty, says Gecko. It's snowing at the beach. But she soon starts to frown. Here comes that blizzard. It's too cold. It's freezing. Please make it stop now. Lizard is shivering. I don't know how. They were not prepared for this. They don't have their hats, their scarves, their mittens, their coats, their long pants. They don't have any of the clothes to help keep them warm. The flakes whirl down faster. The world is a blur. Reach out for each other. I wish I had fur. Animals like wolves and bears, they have fur to help keep them warm. And some animals like seals and walruses, they have blubber, which is, we did that at science experiment back in December where you put your hand in kind of the glove and the different fatty stuff, and it was protect your hand from the icy cold water. The machine freezes up all at once. The storm ends. Hot sun warms them all, melting snow from the friends. Oh, they're back to normal. For 6 sunny days, Lizard mends his machine. I've made a few changes. It now makes ice cream. What a dream! Fresh ice cream, yum yum, cries Iguana. Your ice cream is scrumptious, chocolate chip and banana. I don't know if I put banana in my chocolate chip. Might be yummy. Could be. We found this for you. Thank you, Gecko, says Lizard. He takes it and shakes it. Hooray, a warm blizzard. They found him a snow globe where you shake it and snow falls inside. The end. So remember, when you go out in the cold, you have to be dressed You have to have your scarf, your hat, your mittens or gloves, your coat, your long pants. Remember how to dress in the winter so you're not like Lizard in cold, freezing cold.